Opening an assisted living facility in New York involves several steps, including meeting regulatory requirements, obtaining the proper licenses, and ensuring compliance with the state and local health and safety standards, just like almost every other state's requirements. But here is the step-by-step guide to help you navigate opening an assisted living in New York. Like most all states, assisted living facilities in New York are regulated by the Department of Health. In New York, it's the New York State Department of Health. Understanding the state's regulations and licensing requirements is essential. And then, of course, understanding what you're trying to open. Is it an assisted living residence, an ALR? These facilities provide support for activities of daily living, ADLs, and they may include medication management. They're licensed by the DOH, the Department of Health. Or are you trying to open an adult home? These are long-term care facilities for adults who need assistance with daily activities, but not 24-hour medical care. You may even be trying to open an enriched housing program, an EHP. These facilities serve individuals who need assistance, but not skilled nursing care. EHPs are also licensed by the state. Once you've studied up on the rules and regs and know exactly which one you want to open, you'll want to get educated by coming to a training like the Residential Assisted Living Academy. We show you step by step what to do, what mistakes to avoid, but for now you can start by watching this video right here on YouTube about the 3 opportunities to participate in RAL. Click this link above to check it out. Next, it's all about location. You need to choose the right location, and this will be heavily based on demographics, zoning, and capacity. Once you've purchased and renovated the home or bought the land and built custom from the ground up, you're going to want to get to work on the physical license for the property. You see, this license is going to require fire safety inspections, health and safety inspections, and a CON, a certificate of need meeting to determine the number of beds that you are allowed to get licensed for. There's a lot to learn here, I know. You're doing all of this while marketing to fill the beds and building relationships, and of course, while hiring all of the right amazing people. Your licensed administrator is going to be one of your first hires. They run all of the day-to-day. And then they'll help you hire the licensed caregivers who will do all the work hands-on with the seniors, doing the care and the cooking and the cleaning. You're going to want to create policies and procedures so you can get your license quickly and create all of the other required documents to get started, like your residency rights, emergency protocols, menus and schedules, really all of the what ifs. Then you'll need to train your staff for what type of culture you want in your home or facility and get them prepared for opening doors. After you pass inspection, you can obtain insurance. Usually there's 3 types of insurance that you'll want to have. First is general liability insurance, next is professional liability insurance, and third is workman's comp insurance. Don't forget to plan for your open house, welcoming in all those connections and relationships that you just built over the last few months or years preparing to open your doors. The marketing is about to pay off because it's almost time to open. There are so many pieces to this puzzle, but if I had to break it down super quickly, those are the basic steps to open an assisted living in the state of New York, or truly any state. There's really not much different state to state, besides some variances within the rules and structure of who to report to, etc. But in conclusion, opening an assisted living facility in New York requires thorough planning, compliance with state regulation, and attention to detail in areas like staffing, facility safety, and resident care. By following these steps and consulting with legal professionals and the team at the Residential Assisted Living Academy, which you really need to come to one of those trainings if you're looking to open a home anywhere in any state, but especially New York. I want to help you save time, money, and energy. Now, when you consult with us and the legal team, now you can successfully navigate the licensing process and provide high quality care for seniors. If you're serious about doing this, check out that video or take the next step and come to our training. I'll see you there.